Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to loop an animation in PowerPoint. First, go to Insert and go to Shapes and insert a shape. Let's insert a star shape, for example. Now click on it and go to Animations and select an animation from the existing animations, or you can click on more entrance effects if you want more entrance effect or any of the other animations. Here let's select the spin animation. Now go to the animation pane and here right click on the animation and select effects options, or just double click on the animation. Then go to time in and go to repeat, and from the drop down menu you can select to repeat it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or you can select until next click or until end of slide. Let's select next click and then click on OK. Now go here and select when you want your animation to start. Let's select after previous. And now let's just go back to the Home tab and add another slide. Let's add another shape just to differentiate between the first slide and the second slide. Now go to slideshow and click from beginning to start the animation from the beginning. And here you go. Now I'll just click, and now it went to the next slide. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.